Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Joe believes that landfills are a more efficient and manageable solution for waste disposal compared to composting. He argues that landfills can handle a large volume of waste quickly and effectively, making them suitable for growing populations and urban areas. While composting requires careful sorting and maintenance, Joe points out that landfills simply require waste to be dumped in designated areas, reducing the time and effort needed for waste management. In addition to efficiency, Joe thinks that landfills are easier to regulate and monitor. He explains that modern landfills are designed with protective liners and systems to capture harmful gases and leachate, ensuring minimal impact on the environment. This means that landfills can be managed in a way that keeps communities safe and protects local ecosystems. Joe feels that the technology used in landfills makes them a reliable option for waste disposal. Finally, Joe emphasizes that landfills can also generate energy. He mentions that many landfills capture methane gas produced during decomposition and convert it into electricity. This not only helps reduce reliance on fossil fuels, but also provides a source of renewable energy for nearby communities. In Joe's view, landfills are not just a waste management solution. They also offer practical benefits that make them an important part of a sustainable waste strategy. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.